How to fix keyboard not working in Windows 11. Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to fix the keyboard not working issue in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow. But before we continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. If you're using a wired keyboard, unplug it from the current USB port. Plug it into a different USB port and test it. Sometimes, simply switching ports can resolve the issue. Click the Windows Start icon on your taskbar. If you don't see the Settings option, type Settings into the search bar and open it from the results. In the Settings window, click Accessibility on the left side. Scroll down to the Interaction section and select Keyboard. In the keyboard settings, make sure Filter Keys is turned off. This setting can block key presses if enabled. In the same menu, you can enable the on-screen keyboard as a temporary alternative. Use this to continue typing if your physical keyboard is still not working. Go to the Start menu, and in the search bar, type Update and click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your PC. That's how to fix a keyboard not working in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.